What's great about cheese? You can do so much with it. Here is a simple pan-fried cheese toast with some fresh veggies. So let's get started right now and make your breakfast more exciting. Besides cheese, this is all that you're gonna need: onions, tomatoes, and chilies if you're into spice. So go ahead and slice those chilies down the center just to make them even smaller when you chop them, and just finely chop the chilies. The cool thing about this cheese toast is if somebody wants chilies and somebody doesn't, well, you can customize it based on their preference. Then finely chop, then peel and finely chop an onion as well. A technique that I like to follow to chop my onions is to slice them all the way across and then make some more slits down the middle. It just makes finely chopping onions so easy. Or make another slit over the top. You don't have to do this second slit depending on the size of your onion. And then just grip it really well and chop ahead, and you'll have perfectly finely chopped onion easily. You're also going to need a tomato. They add a nice sweetness. I tend to lean towards the organic kind whenever it comes to tomatoes particularly. It's because I do find them sweeter and riper than any other kind that I've been able to find. Go ahead and slice them thin and chop them finely as well. And that's it. Your main veggies are ready. Now if you wish, you can also finely chop up some peppers, but I'm not the biggest fan when it comes to peppers. And that's it. Your veggies are all prepped. Now let's start assembling our cheese toasts. So I'm using some fresh sourdough today, so I'll go ahead and cut up some slices for today and we will be ready. The cool thing about sourdough is it adds a ton of flavor to the sandwich itself, so it's like another layer of complexity which really adds to the entire experience of a cheese toast. Now I've already grated my mozzarella. You can use a combination of mozzarella, cheddar, Havarti, Monterey Jack, whatever you like. Pick your favorite cheese and then start adding in your toppings, starting with your onions, then your tomatoes, and then whoever wants chilies, add chilies. The key you want to follow here is you don't want to overload it with the topping. Now, just to help secure the toppings, lightly press on the toppings. Now, depending on the type of cheese you're using, some cheeses may be more likely to get the toppings stuck onto them, while some aren't. But I'll show you how to get over it, and that's why I'm using mozzarella, to show you what to do when the cheese goes all over the place. Go ahead and melt some butter, and here's my sandwich. So you want to, in a quick and swift move, flip right on to the pan and just press on it. You want to press on it to make sure the cheese melts right away with the heat and then gets stuck and clings up all the toppings, all the veggies we put, and all the things you see on the side, the cheese and the toppings. Don't worry about that at all. We're gonna rotate and mop up all of those ingredients, and by the end of it, by the time the cheese has melted, it'll be perfect. The key here is to keep the heat not too high. I'm using a medium to medium low heat setting right now, which gives me ample time to mop up any stray cheese or toppings on the pan, and then flip it, and that's what you're going to see at the end. That's just perfect. And you can cook the cheese further if you like and add some more brown bits to it, but that's up to you. Now once you've flipped it, cook the underside just to make the bottom nice and toasty. It's going to continue keeping that cheese molten from the heat being radiated from underneath. That's why you want to eat this right away. When that cheese cools down, it's not the same anymore. You could keep it warm in the oven if you are making a lot of them. Now once you've served it, sprinkle some salt and a bit of pepper. That goes really well and really helps to season and unlock the additional flavors in the veggies. And that's it. There you go. That's a simple pan-fried cheese toast which you can make at any time. It's so easy to make. I'll give a bite right now and I'm telling you, that is delicious. It is easy. You're gonna love it. So go ahead and hit subscribe And don't forget to hit like and hit the comment button below if you are going to make this today. Hit that bell icon for more videos just like this one, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.